So for this project I am using this milk cotton 4 ply yarn and 3.5 mm crochet hook. So let's make it. Start making a slip knot. Then make chain 2, 1 and 2. So start first round in this first chain. So first make 3 treble crochet, wrap yarn 2 times, insert hook in this first chain, then pull the loop. Now go through these 2 loops, and then again go through these 2 loops. So this is the first treble crochet, then make more 2 treble crochet, two and 3. Then make 3 double crochet, one, two, and 3. So this is the first side. Now make 1 chain, to make the corner side. Make 1 treble crochet, then again make 1 chain. So this is the heart corner shape. Now make the second side. So make the reverse. So first make 3 double crochet, one, two, three. Then make 3 treble crochet, one, two, three. So now make slip stitch in this hole. Then fasten off. Now cut this yarn. Turn around and give a knot. Now cut all this extra yarn. So this is the small hearts. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.